In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create lists in PowerPoint, including how to customize your bullet points and even change their color to match your presentation design. Whether you're creating a business presentation, a school project, or a marketing slide deck, using clean and professional lists can make your slides much easier to read and more visually appealing. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the customization tips. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can either open an existing presentation that you're working on or create a new blank presentation if you want to follow along from scratch. Once your presentation is open, navigate to the slide where you want to create your list. Click inside a text box. If your slide doesn't already have one, go to the Insert tab at the top, click on Text Box, and then click and drag on the slide to draw your text box. Now type the text that you want to turn into a list. You can either type multiple lines of text separated by pressing Enter after each line, or paste in content that you already have prepared. Next, select the text that you want to format as a list. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text, or by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard if you want to select everything inside the text box. With the text selected, go to the Home tab in the top menu ribbon. In the Paragraph section, you'll see the Bullets icon. Click on the small drop-down arrow next to the Bullets button. This will open a menu with different bullet styles. At the bottom of that drop-down menu, click on Bullets and Numbering. This will open the Bullets and Numbering dialog box, where you can access more advanced options. Inside this dialog box, you'll see different bullet style choices. To further customize your bullets, click on the Customize button. This allows you to change the appearance of your bullet points beyond the default options. Now here's where you can really personalize your list. In the Customization window, look for the Color option. Click on Color to change the bullet color. A color palette will appear on your screen. You can choose from theme colors that match your presentation design, or select a standard color if you want something different. If you need even more control, you can choose More Colors to create a custom shade. Select the desired color from the palette. As you click different colors, you'll see a preview of how your bullets will look. This makes it easy to match your branding, highlight important points, or simply make your slide more visually interesting. Once you're happy with your selection, click OK to confirm your color choice. Then back in the Bullets and Numbering dialog box, click OK again to apply the changes to your selected text. And just like that, you've created a customized list in PowerPoint with colored bullet points. If you ever want to create a numbered list instead, the process is almost identical. Simply select your text, click the Numbering drop-down in the Home tab, and choose the numbering style you prefer. You can also open the Numbering dialog box for more formatting options. Using lists properly helps break up large chunks of text, improves readability, and keeps your audience focused on key points instead of long paragraphs. Clean formatting can make a big difference in how professional your presentation looks. So to quickly recap, open PowerPoint, select your text, go to the Home tab, open the Bullets drop-down, choose Bullets and Numbering, click Customize, change the color, select your preferred shade, and click OK to apply it. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to create and customize lists in PowerPoint, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.